Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling 6 to 8 sticky notes, scissors, a ruler, and a small piece of clear tape. Stack the notes with their adhesive edges aligned and press them together so they act like a single sheet. This creates thickness and rigidity. Once done, fold the stacked pad in half lengthwise and make a crisp crease along the center. This becomes the dart's spine. Make sure to trim any overhang so the tip will be pointed, not bulky, before moving to shaping the body. Now you form the dart's body by rolling the folded stack from the non-adhesive end toward the sticky edge. Keep the roll tight to maintain aerodynamics. Once rolled, press a short piece of tape around the tip to lock the shape. This prevents unraveling and sharpens the nose. Then flatten the midsection slightly and pinch it to create a subtle waist. This helps the dart stabilize in flight. Make sure to check symmetry on both sides so the dart won't wobble when thrown. Finish by cutting 2 or 3 small fins from another sticky note and attach them evenly around the rear, each angled about 45 degrees to guide airflow. Trim the tip to a clean, consistent point so it slices air instead of catching it. Then test with a few short throws. If it veers left or right, slightly alter a fin angle or add a tiny dot of tape opposite the drift to correct balance. If it unrolls, reinforce seams with thin tape and retest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.